Want to know the two ways to add multiple videos to Instagram story? Well, let me guide you through. The two ways to add multiple videos to Instagram story includes either by uploading them as a sequential series or separate stories, or by merging them into one single video. Now, how you can do that? Well, let me guide you through. First step is to open up Instagram. Then what you can do is you can head into Instagram and proceed to add in the story, right? So tap on the plus icon at the top and proceed to add in your story. Now, if you have multiple videos that you wish to add, then first you can upload one, select one and upload it. Or the other option is to head back, tap on this multiple upload option. If you tap on this icon, then select multiple videos that you would like to upload, tap on next and proceed to add in the video. So you can see I have two different videos selected. I can upload it. So it's uploaded as a sequential series, or after one this will be uploaded and it will be uploaded as separate stories. Now, if you want to merge them and add them together, that is the second option, to merge the videos and add. You can use other video editing tools like CapCut or iMovie or Canva for a combined single push. So merge the videos together using those particular video editing apps, and then you can upload it at once with that is a single series, not a multiple sequential series. So hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.